A lawn mower is a highly efficient and reliable mechanical device. The hydraulic lawn mower employs hydraulic transmission technology. It can easily complete lawn mowing, grass cutting, and other tasks. The hydraulic lawn mower primarily consists of a hydraulic system. The transmission system, cutting system, and other components are composed. The lawn mower features a simple structure and easy operation, high activity, high efficiency, and high performance characteristics. The lawn mower is used in conjunction with the excavator, enabling the machine to encounter obstacles,